Hi, my name is Anya, and today I really want to make a two-toned cake. So for today I'll be making a chocolate and raspberry zebra cake. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload.
Let's start with the raspberry layer. In a blender with 100 grams of frozen raspberries, add in 150 ml of oil and 150 ml of black forest yogurt. You could also use raspberry flavored yogurt. Blend until smooth. I used my nutribullet. After blending, strain the mixture through a sieve to remove the raspberry seeds. Add in 1 to 2 drops of pink food coloring and mix that in. Add in 140 grams of sugar and mix until well combined. Add in 2 eggs and mix until well incorporated. Gradually add in 250 grams of self-raising flour, mix until a smooth batter forms. Next is the chocolate layer. In a bowl with 200 grams of self-raising flour, add in 140 grams of sugar and mix until well combined. Next, add in 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 3 tablespoons cocoa powder, and 150 ml of oil. Mix slightly. Add in 150 ml of plain yogurt, and mix until smooth. Add in a 1/4 cup of the chocolate batter into a lined baking tin. Then add in a 1/4 cup of the raspberry batter. Continue to do this, alternating the cake batters until the cake batter is finished. Then bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. Next is the chocolate ganache. In a bowl with 2.5 ounces of chocolate, add in 1.7 ounces of warm cream. Allow to sit for a few minutes, then mix until smooth. pour the chocolate ganache over the cake and smooth that out. Pipe some whipped cream rosettes onto the cake. Add some strawberries on top. This cake is so yummy. I hope you try to make this at home. And enjoy!